Welcome back. I'm not David Style streaming. Subscribe, comment, drop a like if you haven't. Let us come back to the Android development tutorial. Get user input in an app. Part 2. Write some instrumentation tests. No clue what that means. Let's go. Boy. I probably need the tip tab map. Man, it was kind of annoying last time to try to drag things around without a mouse. Last time we were swapping a bunch of existing elements with material components, which apparently is probably like some library things. It's easier to scale, easier for later releases. But today, let's see. Create the instrumentation test directory. Sorry, both this is fully functional, but it's lacking both test and testing directories. Before we write tests of any kind, we need to add the directory to your instrumentation test. Once you have downloaded the startup, will perform following steps to add files for instrumentation tests. The easiest way to do this is to first switch from the Android view to the project view. In the project pane at the top left, click the drop down that says Android and select project. The project view will now look like this. In source, do a new directory, and then ask for name. Android Java for some reason. Let's see, project, no source. I already have that though. New directory. I already have Java though. What? It's here. The package. It's already here. Calculator. What? This new Kotlin class file calculate the test. Calculate the test. Okay. Let me delete that and try again. Boom. Instrumentation test, meaning so black box testing, just input and output. Looks like that, okay. Not sure what that means. Cannot test UI without marking activity object. White box text, blah blah blah. I guess it's, you can see the inner diagram, I guess. Instrumentation test runner, which allows the test to execute on the device or emulator. Test several other instrumentation runners, but for this, select Android JUnit 4 test runner. Boy. Yep. Need import. Actually, is this smart enough to? Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it would be smart enough to know what library I should import. Can it? Option return. Option return. Never mind. It is smart enough. Very good. Let's see if it's the same. Yeah, it's basically the same. Welcome back, Sashi Praveen. Let's return Dale. I forgot what is new used in C++ or JavaScript. I can't remember. Or something else, or Flutter. Yep, I don't have that many people that drop me comments. I'm not that old yet. Still got a decent memory. Everything is now set up to begin writing testing logic. Single activity, main activity. In order to interact with this activity, your test case must first launch it. Okay. The launch is the main activity and nearby test logic. Calculate 20% tip. Okay. Should this be within? Why is it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Should be here. No. Doesn't like it. Use Expresso for instrumentation tests. Expresso is a library. It comes ready to use with an Android object which created with Android Studio. As you interact with UI components through code. At this point, you may have noticed that Android Studio has a lot of autocomplete features. Nice. One challenge was working with the expression is that the methods do not autocomplete if the library hasn't been imported. Makes sense. Now, this can make it difficult to navigate the available methods in Expresso without researching documentation. Throughout this lesson, we will be providing you with the methods needed to complete the test. First, you need to write code to enter the pure amount of cost of service. Input text view. So we have the ID. Remember the ID of this thing. Copy the ID name. So you probably need to interact with it. It's kind of like you launch the thing. And on view. Object parameter real matcher is essentially a UI component that matches a particular criteria, which in this case is a component that has the ID, cost of service edit text. And with ID returns a real matcher, that is the UI component. Basically, find the object to find the UI component to match. It's not checking my mouth. Number of methods that run and return a reaction, but for now, I'm going to use the type text method. In activity XML, we can see that the default tape option is 20%, so for the time being, you don't need to specify which tape option to select. Text is not entered, then the test needs to click the calculate button. The code for this follows a format similar to the one we use to enter text. The component is different, so the ID names that is passed to the with text function is different. However, the only difference in the approach is that reaction is different. The click function is used instead of type text. Basically, select the object, and then this is the perform the action in this function. This one is type the $50 in there, and then this one is click it. Then we check the results. Matches, yep. And all this should be here. Welcome back, Robotic Hack. Good to see you. Use a different interaction called check. This is the perform, use check. Because this one is special enough. Different interaction called check. Takes a view assertion. It's a different thing. Okay, it looks real. No, this one's outside. Why? Oh, I guess you want to start it first and then you do these test cases. It's turning on. Let me put it to the same. No, can't put it there. Okay. What does it say? Still getting the test results. Boy. Why don't you run? Okay, passed. Wait, what? Oh, it runs the whole test suite. Cool. Honestly, don't know why I didn't show up there. You can see that, really? Show me. Let me zoom in this way. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. We'll do it one more time. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Not sure how useful that is, but that's pretty cool. I guess it's cooler when there are like more delays and there are more interactions built in than the simple checks. Expand test rate, nope. I don't care. Summary. Generates necessary test cases when the project is created out. If we encounter a project that doesn't have to read them manually, then test rules run before we test in a test class. That makes sense because you need no activity to stop first to test on. Expressor is a fundamental component of instrumentation test enable interaction with UI using code. Okay, it's basically like catching the component and then typing out the actions and then applying the actions. Okay, cool. This tutorial is done. I'm gonna stop recording and record the next one.